How to add favorite channels on Hulu. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video by App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add your favorite channels and TV shows on your Hulu on your favorites. So without any further ado, let's begin. First, open up your Hulu and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, you can do this process really simply. Now, before I teach you guys the next step, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's continue. After you are on the initial page, and just tap on this hubs section here, and after you tap on it, you will see different hubs and different channels here. Now after you're on this pop-up section, just tap on the three dots here, and after you tap on the three dots, you will see add to my stuff option. Simply tap on add to my stuff and this channel will be added to your stuff. That is a folder where you have you can store your favorites. Now you can simply browse through your stuffs later on the initial page as well, and then you can browse those channels from there too. And it's that simple, guys. That is how you add your favorite channel on Hulu on your favorites. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.